What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to do Medical Detective for Gunny. In this, we need to search for missing supplies in the nearby town. This is a relatively simple mission. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so for Medical Detective, what we need to do is search for the missing supplies in the nearby town. So once again, we'll head back to the main town. However, this time we'll head across to the far side where we haven't actually been yet. So in my case, it's all the way up here, this building over here. Of course, this will be different for you depending on what faction you're in. Just remember that this town is shaped like a T and it'll be rotated based on whichever faction you're in. So we're looking off the left arm of the T here, up the road until the fork, and just after that, this building over here is where we need to head. Alright, so we're all the way across here, nearby the buildings that we need to get into, and I'm pretty sure it's this one over here. You've seen this in the little preview picture of the quest. We'll take out the guards surrounding this. Unfortunately, to get into these doors here, you'll need to find a key. There is no other way in. We're looking for a KIU Vongza doctor's office key, which you can find on any scav that you get rid of around the town. Unfortunately, I haven't found any of these just yet, so we'll need to carry on just eliminating a couple of scavs until we find exactly what we're looking for. There are, of course, a couple of them here, so we should hopefully be able to find it relatively quickly. We are definitely taking some strain here. Yep, brother's just hanging out. Hey, there we go. This is the doctor's office key that we're looking for, and I just found it on a scav here, as well as a whole bunch of ammo. Once you have this key, you'll be able to head across to the medical room over here. As you can see, there's a couple of guards that have respawned in the area. We'll need to get rid of them first. Alright, those two down. This one's still T-posing. We should be able to come in here. Essentially, the building that you're looking for looks exactly like this. When you get here, you're looking for this right door over here, and we'll be able to unlock it and, of course, open it. Now, just keep in mind you will need a key in order to get in here, and once you do, on the table you should find a notebook. Just take this back to spawn. You'll also find some medical supplies in here too. Just make sure you put this in your safe lock, especially if you're on a PvP server instead of a PvE. Once you get back to spawn, you can open up the vendors, head back to Gunny, tasks, and you'll be able to hand in Medical Detective just like that. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!